Copying, well, depende. I think you're gonna have themes, no? So, mostly pop artists. Yung mga naging pop icons natin. I think nakita naman natin sa ating preview. There was someone who's copying Michael Jackson. I think there's someone copying Madonna. And depende on the theme that they'll have for the night. I'm sure may kukopya kay Nayeng. Baka rin may kumopya sa akin. I don't know. So, puro mga pop icons.
Itong show, is this your first time to work with Gary? Considering na you came from the same school, and the same yata yung...
Hindi naman po my first time to work with him. I've worked with him in a film. I've worked with him in many concerts. But in a TV show, as a co-judge, yes, this is my first time. And I look forward. Kasi si Gary is, lagi kami nag-uusap niya.
Na-notice lang, especially me, parang hindi ka masyadong maraming bagong composition ngayon. Unlike noong nililigawan mo pa lang si Richie.
Kasi wala na po akong nililigawan. Hindi po, I will be recording this, if not the first quarter, maybe the second quarter, and hopefully by the third quarter, ma-release natin. I don't know what their timetable is, but we will be recording soon. So, nagsusulat naman din po ako. It's just that, may iba akong nabibigyan ng kanta, hindi lang si Regine.
Last question.
Yes po.
You might find corny, but
that's okay.
Pakikinabangan namin. Ano ba ang pwedeng hinginin ng isang Ogie Alcacid ngayong Pasko?
Naku, hindi pong corny yan, ano?
Another baby.
Personally po, personally.
Personally,